Take a ride in the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.